How y'all doing? Yeah, this the start. This the start of the sensor replacement for 2005 Grand Prix. I'm gonna tell you in the next clip as I'm breaking it down. I think it's a 464 T65-E transmission. More civil back to gorillas. Always see the silver lining in my plight. Civil living ain't enough. I'm sitting in meetings. So yeah, they go to tire. I'm gonna have to take off. I'm not trying nothing either. Like as far as went to school or nothing. So I don't advise y'all to do this y'all stuff if y'all don't know what y'all doing or whatever. But it's the caliber brake. I'm gonna take off little housing of the brake. Then I'm about to take out the axle, bust this bolt down, tell y'all what size bolt that is, and then pop it and pop that cover off. Probably break this brace or something. No. Break the cradle bolts right there. I be having to get ready for this, so pardon me if I sound like slow as hell. But this one. Loosen up the other two a little bit. I think I might take these out, just loosen the other ones, make it tilt this way, make it tilt down, and I'm gonna get right back with you. Right now I'm taking off the transmission cover. I think they're like 15-inch or 14. Don't quote me on that. Let's release your worries though. Okay, so what I was trying to do is this thing where you can tilt it. In my mind, I was thinking I could tilt it, like let it down low enough without really detaching the cradle, but it didn't work like that. But right now, I'm taking off the trans mount to check the theory to see if I can do it like that without having to take down. I had to take out the lower ball joint on this side and the other side or something like that. Or I think it was the linkage over on the other side. But I'm gonna show you that later. I'm just telling you now to just give y'all an idea of what you're looking at. So right here, it was getting close. You see how it's like right there, about to clear. It's sitting right on top of where the trans mount was at, and the top part is just not clearing. I don't know if y'all can see this. I pulled I had to do a little bit of up and down with the engine support. Now I got it up. I'm gonna bring it down, and hopefully when it come down, then I'll be able to pull the cover off. Get right back with you. How y'all doing? I'm back. Well, man, it wasn't moving like it's supposed to move. Like when I let the cradle bolts down on two, it wasn't coming enough. Then I let down a little bit by little bit on the other side, Still wasn't coming down enough. Took that side off. Took that stabilizer bar, the same way I did on this side. Took that off, and I disconnected the rack of pin. You see right there? It's 2 screws, 2 bolts. I'm gonna put back together. I can tell you what size to me is. I'm gonna make sure I tell y'all every size on the put back side. All right. Oh, but hey, we got this joint, man. Look, first time, never did this shit before. Y'all can do it too. Like anybody got any little experience or just want the knowledge, cause they know somebody else. I don't know, but here it go. That look like that pressure plate. Hold on. I look like the pressure plate right there. Then that look like that pressure solenoid. That's what it looked like. We got a shift solenoid. Shift solenoid, I think that is. And we got another one back there. You see that? Bam! You see that? See that clip right here? See that clip right there? Yeah, that's how we be getting that joint off. I guess. Wrong though. We got the shift right here, solenoid right here. My clips don't look terrible, y'all. What y'all think? My clips don't look like they're gonna break, man. But I'm gonna show y'all this little tool that helps y'all too, though. All right, my gasket. Shit, look at that gasket there, baby. That joint look brand new. I'm not letting that go. I'm not moving that nowhere. You see that? Hold on. Oh, okay, I think that's a pass up on my gas. I'm not moving that joint though. And it looked pretty decent to me. Y'all let me know in the comments about stuff. Check it out. Hold on, dog. We got a clip right there. Look like. But just letting y'all get a good view. Let me go slow. Good view. I don't know what that is down there. I'm finna see though. I'm finna do the little unboxing thing. Of the pressure solenoid and all the stuff that came in the package, and I'll leave y'all a link. And okay, so that's a pretty decent view y'all got right there. All right, I'm back. All right, what I'm trying to do for y'all right now, man, I remove these sensors. Just get some clips. Some clips let's get some clips on here. Hopefully, I got one located. It's right here. See this, and I think this is for that shift somewhere. For some reason, it's another solenoid, but what it look like a solenoid. Pretty sure it is. Right there. Alright, well. This pressure plate. I don't exactly know like the torque for it, but I can pretty much take it off and put it back. I don't even know if I should mess with it, but I think I am. You know what I'm saying? This is the shift solenoid. What about how do I know which one goes where, huh? Yeah, that's a problem right there, man. I don't feel me. Okay, now let me show y'all the tool. Yeah. Well, you can get these at a good auto parts store near you, because I don't know. I don't know. Okay, look how pliable that is. Some of y'all stuff. Like if you let it run and be hot too long, it won't be pliable like this. You see how I'm able to get that up under there? Special tool. You see? Put that under there. Flip it like that. Keep you from breaking. Okay, that's that one right there. That's that one right there. Then we got, look, you see this pen? Hey man, this costs like, you get 5 of these different shapes at the top. Same, but different shapes at the top. Specialty tool must have. You know what I'm saying? Period. But you see how that pulled that out. And I was gonna use some vice grips, I mean some needle nose. But if y'all can see, snatch that right out. See that there? Snatch that right out of there. Okay. Put this in a very special spot. I'm finna take out one at a time though. But I wanna see I don't know which the difference, between which solenoid is which solenoid. That's why I gotta go back in there. That's why I gotta go back in now and I see that's 2 clips right there. That's stripped out. That one goes in there backwards. Gotta be another clip for that one back there. You're gonna have to get all the way back there and look though. Okay, now let's see, she just, bam. Did y'all hear that? I'm sure y'all did. Oh, we got one shift solenoid right here, man. I'm smiling and I'm feeling good because, man, you do not know. This will make you. This will make you junk your car. This job right here will make you junk. This is where you can pick part 2. It's in that box right there to the left of the screen. That box, that left one right there. Click it. And that middle one, subscribe.